Now I will explain to you what is the principle of Havan is. See, the principle of Havan comes from the basic quality of the fire. The fire is the one that consumes everything. So for the consumption of everything that is bad in us, or defective in us, or cold within us, or that is making us lethargic, making us anti-God, or any such things which we do not want to have in Sahaja Yoga is to be consumed by fire. Now for that we have to use something to extract it. And to extract it, what we do is to take the name of the goddess. So she, in 1,000 names, the 1,000 powers within us are arisen. And by every power, you try to cleanse one of the nadis that you have. Actually, we have 16,000 nadis within us, only on the Vishuddhi Chakra. But the main 1,000 nadis, which are of the Sahasrara, if they are cleared out, then all the nadis can be cleared out. So what we are doing, we are taking the name of the goddess by which we are expressing, or we are trying to innovate or awaken a particular power of the goddess, by which we try to use the what you call the consummation power of the fire. So the power that is the mother's power liberates and cleanses one of the Sahasrara, one of the, we can say, the nadis of Sahasrara, and whatever is hanging on to it is then thrown into the fire. Swaha means consumed. Swaha. Now this is the power of the fire. Now the power of the fire, as you know, is that if you put gold, it doesn't burn gold. All the rest is burnt out and gold comes out as gold. So whatever is gold in you, means whatever is genuine in you remains, and whatever is artificial, whatever is wrong, whatever is anti-God, and whatever is depressant, everything is consumed by fire. So first, because it is in my presence,